How to add location on Instagram bio. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. Open up your Instagram application. Tap onto your profile on your bottom right. For you to be able to add location on your Instagram bio, you need to have a business account. If you don't have a business account, I'll show you how to get one. Tap on this 3-bar icon on your top right. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way below and tap on Account Type and Tools. Here you will see Switch to Professional Account on the first menu. Tap that option, tap on Continue and follow the process. At this page, choose Business and tap Next. Now refresh your page. Again, go to Edit Profile. Go to Contact Options on your second last menu. Then you will be able to see Business Address here. Tap that. And just like so, add your street address, town, postal code, and then tap on this check icon. And this is how you add location on your Instagram bio. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.